What's going on?
What's going on? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Because I'm like myself here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. It's Dyno Day. So yeah, me and Damian are going on Dyno today. Welcome back to the channel, I mean. I'm nervous, guys. I'm gonna blow my SR right now. Full sends only. Buddy inside. Buddy inside is like, SRs.
Yeah, and he's like, Travis, like, what do I set my max RPM to? 76, and then he's like, maybe 75.
Yeah, it was really funny. So yeah, we are going on the dyno. Damian is going first because I am too scared to go first. We'll see how it goes. It'll be interesting. What do you think you will get out?
430.
430.
Yeah.
What do you think mine will get out of it?
380.
The audacity. So we're both hoping for 4 or more, basically, right?
Yeah.
You wouldn't mind to hit 5, but I don't think you'll hit 5 on pump.
Yeah.
Our pump gas here is really like crap, to be honest. Like, it's not very good even on our like highest tier. So we're just hoping that we can get to like 400 with pump gas, basically, and not getting a lot of knock in the cylinder. What is knock? Do you know how to explain it?
Pre-detonation. So when the fuel gets compressed, it's basically it's combusting before the combustion event's actually supposed to happen, and it creates like a pinging noise. It's like called ping.
Ping, knock,
and it's not good.
No bueno. Oh, there's Brandon. He just drove past. So yeah, the whole little squad is going to be coming by. Steven's at work. Brandon will be here. Brendan Rose is back, everybody. If you remember him from one of the old videos swearing about GTR owners. And then yeah, Jordan's here. Hi Jordan.
What's going on?
Brett's here. Hey. Hi Brett. And yeah, Damian's here, obviously. So yeah, we're just gonna wait, let the guy get the dyno and everything set up, and then do some fatty polls. Good morning!
What's going on, YouTube?
Are you pumped or are you pumped?
Oh yeah. Hopefully we don't see any SRs or Ks explode today.
Odds? Knock on wood, likely. 100%. Brendan Rose, everybody. Brendan Rose. Typical white girl and his Starbucks.
Drink more water.
Brendan's back, everybody. Yay! Hey. Only for a short time though. But then you're moving back still too.
Yeah. I don't want to.
You don't want to?
I mean, I want to, but I miss Vancouver now.
So yeah, Racing Greed does a lot of cars. That clutch is probably freaking stupid. You've never heard your car? Jesus Christ. Wow. There's an intercooler.
Oh, my car doesn't sound too bad for a K.
Dude, your car sounds good. It's just too quiet. Puts it on the front wheel. It's front wheel drive, right?
10 seconds of him holding the camera.
Because I'm not going to swear or anything. Useless video. I won't be...
Yeah, I brought 4 batteries with me, so... Rose, can you just start a YouTube channel where you just follow people around with the camera?
And then just...
Swing first! Swing first!
Yeah, just...
So majestic, man in his car.
This thing's making 2,000 horsepower today.
2,000 horsepower?
Yeah.
No, dude.
On pump.
420 and 0.69 horsepower.
Yeah. So much horsepower. Yeah. Obviously.
Come on, man. Get with the program. Could you imagine if you actually hit 420 horsepower? I would leave it there and never retune.
Please don't change it.
I will never retune if I can hit 420.
Can
I get my car
next
detuned
upgrade
at
is 666 horsepower.
No, yours
666?
Your car needs to make 696.
Doesn't make any sense.
0.9. 696.9.
690.420.
Okay.
Sure.
Do it. Full sends. What's the sitch?
There's some sort of fueling problem so it's dropping fuel pressure in the high RPM range, high boost.
Yeah.
For some reason, keep adding fuel, but it should be staying the same. So it's dropping fuel pressure for some reason. So I don't know. We'll have to see.
So what are they doing right now? They're grabbing an out of car.
Yeah, we're taking a fuel pressure gauge and we're seeing how much it's dropping by to confirm that it's a fueling issue, and then go from there.
All right. Dope. Good to know. How you feeling?
Yeah.
Pretty good?
I feel pretty good. We didn't really get the 1200 we were hoping for, but the 360.
Do you know how much you're making right now?
364 or something like that?
Yeah, at least get up to 369.
How you feeling about this, Damian?
Yeah.
All right, everybody. So we're just finishing up with Damian's car here. Made a solid 364 wheel.
I think they're gonna try and pull more out of it now.
No, that's it.
No, because Damian wants him to pull more.
Well, you know we can.
Yeah, he's saying that he's not comfortable putting more boost into the bigger injectors.
Really?
This is him at the end of the injectors. Yeah.
That's not good because I have the same size injectors.
He says gotta go, small displacement though, but he said need to go top feed, injector dynamics, 1350 cc.
Holy.
So, yeah.
Big boy. So
that's ordering tonight.
Yeah.
He says I just whip out the phone.
All right.
Oh yeah, it's ordered. I got it.
Same day. Let's go.
Amazon Prime it, dude.
Prime it right to here.
Alright. I can't remember if we already talked about this, but what'd you make?
360. We talked about it.
Did we? Okay. So Damian's car's off the dyno, the guys are going for lunch, and then they're doing my car. Just kidding. They are going for a quick drive first, and then, yeah. See, now I'm getting excited for this, because now it's like, oh, he's getting in his car and he's driving it up.
What did your car been 280?
Huh?
280 before?
I don't know. I just guessed.
It's so quiet.
Then you hear mine, it's like, ah!
Sounds like it makes 1,000, but it makes 300.
Bang, 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 bang. Bye! Good?
Feels pretty hard.
Yeah?
Yeah, it definitely feels much faster than it did before.
Okay. So you like it?
Yeah.
A little disappointed though?
Bigger injectors.
Bigger injectors?
ASAP.
That's like 100%.
100% ASAP.
Okay, so yeah, Damian is now officially done. Made 360-ish. And yeah, he's a little disappointed because he wanted 4 today, and that's what I want. So looks like neither of us will be making 4 by the sounds of it. Not a huge deal though, not the end of the world. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for the guys to do lunch. Damian's paying for his tuning right now. And then we'll get it onto my car.